To hear you laugh and see you smile. You're so innocent, just a little child. And I want you to play with me because I'm a pedestrian walking through a park reminiscing of my now grown children.
Grab that stick, so nimble, so quick. Flick its wick to make it stiff. Light it up with a fully fueled bick. And while you're at it, you can suck my fumes, 'cause I'm a candle.
On days like these, so hard to decide, will I enjoy it normally or munch it from behind? I'm opening my mouth, going down from the front. It's always a tricky quest when I'm eating out your freshly baked pastries.
The rose petals are placed and the candles are lit. The mood is just right for me to lick your pan because you just made some delicious brownies.
Can the darkness be vanquished? When in love he falls. This night is hoped to never end until you're nibbling on his heart.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. Go f*** yourself. Hey, thanks for watching our video. While you're here, check out some of our previous stuff. We'll wait.
Or leave a comment below or subscribe to our channel.
Or check out our Facebook. We put a lot of exclusive stuff over there.
Or click on our Twitter.
Whatever.